So today we're unboxing one of the new Hellion LEDs. It's the first range of fixtures to come with built-in UV and far red diodes. That does make them slightly pricier than comparable units, but you really get what you pay for in this instance. That's because Hellions are built with 3 separate drivers, one for the full spectrum light, one for the reds and far reds, and one for the UV. This allows you to control the unit via 3 channels. You can tailor not just the intensity but also the spectrum, increasing the blues and veg to keep the growth nice and tight, and then boosting reds during bloom to fatten out fruits. It's also at this stage that the UV comes into its own, really pushing oil production to heighten aromas and flavours and piling on weight. Micro-reflectors on each of the bars work to focus the light without using lenses, delivering extremely deep penetration. And naturally there are controller ports to allow you to regulate an array of fixtures from a central point. With 4 versions available, there's a size to suit every grow space. You can choose from 250 watt, 510 watt, 700 watt and 1000 watt models. All in all, this is the most comprehensive range of LEDs we've tested so far. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.